Hi guys, let's understand the problem 2487. Remove node from linked list. Okay, so let me understand you brief connection, a brief what connection. Let me tell you a brief introduction about the question. Suppose I have 2, 3, 4, uh, maybe like um, 30, 80, 2, 4. Okay, now what I have to do is remove every node which has a node with a greater value anywhere to the right side. So what this is saying is, suppose if I'm at 13, so I have to remove all the nodes that are lesser than 13. Okay, so let me just give you a brief with the tutorial. Okay, now 2 is anything that is lesser than 2. Yeah. So it is safe now. Is 3 is anything lesser than 2? Is it lesser than 3? Yes. So 3 is safe, but 2 is new. So I'm going to remove the 2. Okay, now 4 is safe, and before 4, 3 is smaller number, so I'm going to remove this also. Now I move to 30. Before 13, all the nodes that are left is 4. So I'm going to remove the node 34. Okay. Now I move to 18. Since 13 is smaller than 18, so I'm going to remove this. Okay. Now I move to 2. Since this is greater than, so it is safe now. 4. This is 2 is incident, so I'm going to delete this. But 18 is greater than 4, so I'm not going to delete 18. Now I move to 8. Is 4 smaller than 8? Yes. So I'm going to remove this. But 18 is bigger than 8. So it is safe. So my number is 88. This is my linked list. This is my hand. So this is my result. Okay. Understand the basic concept? So let's understand how can we solve this. Okay. Let me just erase the red things. Let me just delete all. Just like test case 5 to 13. 5 to 13. 3. So what I'll do is I will not go for the brute force that is using array or something like this, but I will use a stack. Okay. What I will do is I'm at this position 5. So I'll check is if either stack is empty, so I'm going to put the 5 here. Okay. Now I move to 2. I'll check is any nodes that are available in the stack from this position to like this. Is anything that is smaller than 2? If yes, then I'm going to pop all these elements and put the 2 after that. So since 2, 5 greater than 2, so I'm going to put 2 here. Now I move to 13. So I'll check 2. Is 2 is less than 13, so I'm going to remove this. So now I'll check 5. Is 5 less than 13? Yes, so I'm going to pop this out also. Okay, so now since array is empty, I'm going to put 13 here. Okay, now I'll move to 3. Is any element that is smaller than 3? No. So I'm going to put 3 here. I move to 8. 8. Since 3 is smaller than 8, so I'm going to remove this. And 13 is not smaller than 8, so I'm going to put 8 here. Okay. Now, what I will do is these are my answers. So you can see this is the answer. So now, since when I pop this, it will move like this. If I make a linked list, so it will be like this. Now, like 8, then 13, then some element is there. Okay. Now what I have to do is I have to reverse this linked list. So it will be like 8, 13, like this. And I have to return this head. Means return 13 from like this. Okay, understand this? Means using a stack, then make a linked list, then reverse. Okay, so let's code this up. Okay, understand the concept? Let's code this. For what I need is a stack. So let's iterate over the. I need a dummy for now. Always never use a head to iterate over. Okay, use some other variables like dummy, dummy two. Iterate over the linked list. Okay, this is a good practice. So dummy. If while stack and stack dot top is less than and dummy dot val, what I have to do is pop the element. Okay, now the moment I have popped all the elements that is smaller than, I'm going to put. Okay, now let's comment this. Add all the nodes in the stack. Okay. Now what I have to do is create a linked list. Create a linked list from the stack. Okay. For that again, I need something to hold. So what I will do is temp equals to link node. This is my starting point. I'm taking back. I'm putting this, then it will indicate to 8, this will indicate to 30. Okay. Then what I will do is I will reverse this part. Okay. Now while stack. So it will be like temp dot next plus stack dot for and temp equals to temp dot next temp dot next equals to next. Okay, what I'm doing is since I have put it the 8 in this will indicate some node. This will also indicate some node. Means if I'm putting 13, so its next will be pointing to 3, and for 8 it will be pointing to none. So what I have to do is if I'm making iterating like this, so I have to put this none. Okay, so if I do this, if I don't put this none, then my 13 will indicate to 3, which I don't want. That's why I'm making it none. I'm not sure why I'm doing this. Now I have to reverse the linked list. Okay, for that I need the current next here to none 10. Okay, while current and current dot next which will be next free, then next equals to current dot next equals to current dot next and free equals to we push code and confirm the part that's all term. Yeah, that's all. What file stack and stack documents. Oh, sorry. Dot where I'm checking the node, not the value. Okay. Is there any while loop problem? What? Okay, I'm not moving the head in this. Yeah, that was the problem. Aha, aha, aha. Dummy, I'm using a dummy. So I have to move the dummy to link node. Wait, let's I'm not sending the parameter because yes. Protein still okay, so you clear something like this. And it will run hopefully because I'm not, yeah, I was using a different pointer. I was using the end pointer. I need a first pointer for that. Yes, been accepted. Hope you understand the concept. What we are doing is again adding all the nodes in the stack such a way that all the previous nodes should be created in the current node. Now creating a linked list on the stack and simply reversing the linked list and returning the head. Okay. Hopefully you understand this. Okay, if you do, you give it a like. Okay, see ya.